Welcome to the Master Session on Building a Resilient Tomorrow, exploring technology, environment, and impact. I'm Dr. Sai Bhaskar Reddy, a climate engineering innovator and environmental researcher, specializing in biochar systems and biomass energy.
We are pioneering climate-resilient infrastructure using methods like flood-proof urban design and biochar-infused bricks, alongside technologies such as smart water sensors and GIS risk mapping. This integrates traditional ecological knowledge with modern climate engineering. Our livability assessment framework focuses on sustainable cities, covering air quality, water security, flood risk, green cover, heat island effect, and disaster preparedness. This helps cities benchmark and improve habitability using factors like PM 2.5 monitoring, GIS mapping, and community training. Biochar bricks are 30 to 40% lighter than conventional ones and provide superior thermal insulation. These low-cost, low-carbon materials permanently sequester carbon. We also implement green urban design and create replicable tiny eco-homes using these materials for climate-vulnerable communities. Addressing water scarcity involves cloud seeding technology for artificial precipitation enhancement and floatigation for growing plants in saline water. We also use smart water sensors for real-time data and focus on urban water body conservation through GIS mapping and pollution control. For the World Bank, I developed the blueprint for the National Urban Flood Risk Investment Program in Indonesia. This involved creating an investment framework, risk intelligence layer with GIS mapping, and institutional architecture, setting up a replicable model for ASEAN nations. As part of the CDRI Technical Expert Group, I provided mentorship and advisory on international projects across multiple countries. These projects included risk assessment, hazard mapping, urban planning for resilience, and frameworks for evaluating infrastructure resilience. The livability assessment tool is an integrated scoring system covering 6 core domains: air quality, flood risk, green cover, water security, heat island, and disaster prep. It benchmarks cities across climate risk and infrastructure quality, informing smart city development. My portfolio includes multi-country hazard, vulnerability, capacity, and risk assessments. These include comprehensive multi-hazard scoring for Gift City, adaptation planning for conflict-affected Afghanistan, and climate risk assessments for Ramsar wetland sites. Biochar is a pioneer product in India and a global innovator. It offers soil benefits like improved water retention and reduced fertilizer need. It's a permanent carbon removal pathway, with stability lasting over 1,000 years, documented in the Biochar Culture Book. The circular waste to biochar to soil system starts with biomass harvest. Efficient combustion in good stoves reduces pollution and saves fuel. Pyrolysis produces biochar for soil application, improving water retention and reducing fertilizer use, leading to verified carbon credits and community income. The Klima Adapt project and WALAMTARI Sensors Lab provide climate-smart precision agriculture monitoring in Telangana, India. This includes establishing a climate cell, a sensors lab for environmental monitoring, and deploying real-time sensors for canal networks and reservoir management. In air pollution monitoring and mitigation, we address both health and climate simultaneously. This includes indoor air pollution mitigation, urban air quality monitoring with sensor networks, deploying green cover for air purification, and biochar soil application to reduce N2O and CH4 emissions. We develop flood monitoring and prediction models using GIS flood hazard mapping and real-time sensor networks, including the Canal Network Flow Monitoring System. We also worked on the Urban Flood Risk Investment Framework for the World Bank and Community Early Warning Systems for Coastal Resilience. Our cloud seeding approach uses hygroscopic agents dispersed by aircraft or ground generators to enhance rainfall by 10 to 15% in suitable conditions. It's integrated with ground systems like reservoir and biochar management, governed by a framework that includes post-event rainfall attribution analysis. Climate-resilient urban greenery encompasses roadside corridors, parks using biochar-amended soil, water body greening, and rooftop gardens. We also develop vertical green walls for heat mitigation and floatigation systems for food production on saline water. Our vision centers on integrated ecological thinking and technology innovation. Future directions include the Biochar Cities Initiative, AI-powered climate consulting, rural climate hubs, and a livability science platform for city assessment and monitoring. My impact is quantified by over 25 years of field experience, 20-plus mentored projects, and 6 major climate projects led. I have developed more than 50 biomass stove designs, over 100 innovations, and authored 50-plus open-access books. To connect, collaborate, or consult on areas like biochar systems, climate risk, IoT sensors, or water innovation, please use the contact information provided on the screen. My website is saibhaskar.com, and my email is saibhaskarnukka@gmail.com.